walk up to regret. Walk up to a place you'll never forget. And past the pregnant guard, the red paradise of dreams and scars. Leg scars, arm scars, stomach scars lead by far. The marks of the old country start. The old cliche, exploitation blues. The offers no young, hungry things could refuse. Welcome to hell, she may as well say. As I walk up for love on your lunch break. Walk up to see God, to see sweet Jane. You still smell her snatch as you troll the accounts. Flip through the company books. You can say you rode coattails of blind chance. I know you itch for romance. Another lonely executive cunt, the kind that only knows how to pay to touch. In the boardroom, your fish fingers shake hands with the top flight men. Check your balls for lumps once they've lived. What's that itch? Is that new? Is that working? Is it supposed to? Am I alive? Is she sleeping with her eyes open? There's a place for your briefcase, but watch out for the wandering see God, to see sweet Jane, to pay for a new